Okay, we got F in. We got G in. We got to figure out what H and K are. Didn't shift right or left. We got to shift it down by 3. So we're going to change K to -3. Now we got to shift it down by 3. Matches up with the graph. Let's go ahead and type in the equation. So we got X minus H is 0 squared minus 3 is K. So we got F in. We're going to change G. Let's go ahead and type in what we want it to be. X plus 3 squared plus 5. We're trying to get to match up here. We're trying to get the graph we needed to go up by 5 and to the left by 3. So we're going to change K to 5. We want it to go up by 5. Now we got the graph up by 5. Now we want to go to the left by 3. So -3. Now we got it to the left. You can see there. It's matching up perfectly. So let's go ahead and type in the equation. Or we went up by 5. We went to the left by 3. Okay, we got f of x, f squared. We're going to make these 0. Make this 0. The equation what we want it to be is x minus 2. X minus 2. Minus 7. So we want it to go down by 7. And we want it to go to the right by 2. We want to move it over to the right by 2. Boom. Now it matches up perfectly. So down by 7. To the right by 2. Last question. Okay, we're going to start with 0, 0. We want it to go down by 5, so we're going to change K to -5. Now we got it down by 5. We want it to go to the left by 4. So we'll change this to -4. Now we've got it matched up. Let's go ahead and type in the equation. X, the opposite of the H value, so plus 4 this time. Squared minus 5.